Welcome to Tate, Lyla and Bryn's cooking show.
Tate, I've kind of been thinking about something.
What's that, Lyla?
Well, Bryn and I have been talking, and I'll just let Bryn say it.
You're getting too old for this, Tate.
Too old for this? I'm only 12.
You've lost the cuteness factor, Tate.
Also, I want my own room now.
What is that supposed to mean?
Mom and Dad said it's time for you to move out.
I've been looking at the emancipated minor laws, and the course will back us up.
So this is it? Like, I'm out?
Pack your bags, pal. Welcome to Bryn and Lyla's cooking show.
Hello, I'm Keebler.
Keebler?
Why, yes, Keebler from London, world-renowned food critic.
You look really familiar.
Handsome faces like mine are very common.
How do we know you're really from London?
Ask me something someone from London would know.
All right, what's this then?
Why, it's a football, because that's what I call it.
All right, Keebler. When's the last time you went to the dentist?
I've never been.
Seems legit.
So what brings you to town, Keebler?
Well, I'm a food critic, and I've heard you have an amazing show. I would like to judge one of your creations today.
Come on in, Keebler.
Today we will be making Graham Cracker Toffee.
With English toffee bits.
Oh, goody.
The first step is to layer a 9 by 13-inch pan with tin foil.
You mean aluminium foil?
Aluminum foil.
Agree to disagree.
I got it right here. We must first grease the dish with butter.
As a food critic, I must say the hygiene is definitely lacking.
Keebler, it's time to layer the bottom of the pan with graham crackers.
Whatever happened to that handsome co-star of yours?
What was his name again?
I believe his name was something incredibly manly, like Tate.
Oh yeah, he was written out of the show.
Oh, bother. He was my favorite character.
Before we start the next step, we must preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
For this recipe, we have to add more ingredients quickly.
2 sticks of butter and then brown sugar.
Americans and their salt.
Once the mixture has thickened, pour it evenly on the graham crackers.
Spread it evenly, Lyla. Now bake for 7 minutes.
Hurry, while it's hot, add the next ingredients.
It's chocolate chip time.
Put it back in the oven for 2 minutes, Lyla. Take it out when the chocolate chips are glistening.
My recommendation would be to smooth the chocolate chips with a spatula.
Keebler, since you're English, I thought you could sprinkle the English toffee bits.
By Jove, thank you.
After it cools for 3 hours, cut it and serve.
What do you think, Keebler?
I can taste the germs from your fingers.
Oh, Keebler.
Well, with that, ladies, I must bid you adieu.
Bye, Keebler.
Aw, you know what, Bryn? I kind of miss Tate.
Me too. Why don't we call him?
Good idea. Hey, Tate. Me and Bryn were talking, and we miss you.
Yeah, just kind of living on the front porch now. Miss you guys too.
We filmed the cooking show with this weird British guy, and it just wasn't the same without you.
This British guy, he sounds pretty handsome.
Bryn wants to say something.
Will you please be in the show with us next year?
I'll see if I can clear up my schedule. I'm gonna go inside now.
The kitchen is not big for you. the kitchen is not big.
The kitchen's not.
I've been looking at the emancipated minor laws, and the course will back us up.
Austin, let's go.
This is so unnecessary.
Let's go.
Wait, no!
Not a thing. Get him out of here. No, this is cute. You guys are cute, but
Yeah, this is not like.
nope.
Hey, bud, come on. Come here.
I have to. Stop! Welcome to Lyla's Cookies.
So we're gonna do
Bryn and Lyla.
what brings you to count?
What brings you to
Louder.
Seems legit. 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 With English toffee bits.
No,
Improvise. Take what's around you. Put it all together in a brand new way. Improvise. Take what's around you. Put it all together in a brand new way. Improvise. Take what's around you.
The first step is to layer a 9x13-inch pan with tinfoil.
I'm so irritating.
Kiwi. We must first grease the chips with butter.
I do not like that.
There you go.
Sit. Sit. You're so difficult. Sit. I wish you were a puppy so I could pick you up by this.
Can you stop sampling the food? I'm not sure that's safe.
Oh gosh.
Welcome to the Oasis
For this recipe, it's important to have the recipes quickly.
Okay. Bryn, stand with.
Papa, like.
Try my best.
But you won't succeed.
I'll try my best and I won't succeed.
That's not. That's literally the opposite of the meaning of
It's
that.
what you want and not what you need.
I feel like I know you.
Oh, you certainly don't know me.
One more
We have
time.
no
You
connection.
are Tate, are you?
No, that wasn't part of the script.
If you are Tate.
This is going in the outtakes because this is not happening in the story.
I really feel like I know you.
Your face, it's familiar.
Oh, this handsome thing? No, just a coincidence.
No. Really, you kind of look like my brother.
No, I'm flattered. He's one of the most handsome men I've ever seen. But no, just a coincidence. My recommendation would be to smooth the chocolate with a spatula.
Oh my gosh, Bryn.
Hey,
Wait, Dad, have him pull the spatula out.
let's write my name on it. Can I write my name on it?
Nope.
Look at her.
By Jove, thank you.
Look at her.
By Jove. I'll see if I can clear up my Miska Muskel.
Do it again.